So in this class, we will discuss regarding the direct and a indirect speech. Okay, is it clear to you what we will discuss? We'll discuss regarding direct and indirect speech. What a person speaks, that could be reported in two ways. Okay, first of all, the direct speech, what is spoke directly. Okay, so direct speech is when we repeat the actual words spoken by the person, by the individual. When we report actual words spoken by that person, then it is termed as a direct speech. These words are put within inverted commas. Okay, and how you can identify it, what a person speaks. If we are using the words as it is, then they are to be put in inverted commas. Okay, so one, how we can report what a person spoke with his actual words. Okay, so that is termed as a direct speech. And the other thing is that we can report that indirectly. Okay, so we can, what the person spoke, we can report that in our own words. That is termed as indirect speech. Okay, or the reported speech. So direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech, when we use the actual words spoken by a person, then it is termed as a direct speech. And when we tell what the person spoke in our own words, when we report, then that is termed as indirect
Indirect
speech.
speech.
Okay, so you write the definition, what is the direct speech and what is indirect speech. Direct speech is when we repeat the actual words spoken by the speaker. These words are put within inverted commas. Okay. So direct speech is when we repeat the actual words spoken by the speaker, and these words are to be put in inverted commas. Okay. For example, okay, he said, I am well. So these are the actual words spoken by this person. So this is a direct speech. Okay, then when this will be reported, then it will become indirect speech. So you write the definition of indirect speech. Indirect speech tells us what someone else said, therefore it is also called the reported speech. Indirect speech does not tell about the exact words spoken by okay. So students, indirect speech tells us what someone else said. What it tells? It tells what someone else said. Therefore, it is also called the reported speech because it is reported by someone. Indirect speech does not tell about the exact words spoken by the speaker. Okay. So we discussed, he said, I am well. It will become, he said he was well. He said that he was well. Okay, you are able to see, he said that he was well. So this is in indirect speech, there will not be inverted commas. Okay, and conjunction that you will use, inverted commas will be removed. So this is direct and indirect speech. First of all, you should understand what is the definition, what is the direct speech and what is indirect speech. We are doing it from the previous classes. In the earlier classes also you have studied it, and it is there, it was there in class 9th also, it was there in class 8th also, in class 7th also you have studied it. Okay, so what is the direct speech? Direct speech is when we repeat the actual words spoken by the speaker. These words are put within inverted commas. Okay, as it is given there in example, he said, I am unwell. He said, I am unwell. He said, I am well. I am well. He said, I am well. Indirect speech tells us what someone else said. Therefore, it is also called the reported speech. Indirect speech does not tell the exact words by the speaker. No exact words are there. The listener will report the matter. So it is termed as, indirect speech is termed as the reported speech. Inverted commas are no more used. Okay, students. Now, this much is clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, children,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to focus on, this reporting verb. What you have to focus on? You have to focus on reporting verb. This reporting verb is what? Here it is. He said, I am unwell. What is the reporting verb? He said, I
I
am
am well.
well. Okay. So reporting verb is said. And this is in which tense? Identify.
Present.
It is past.
Past.
This is past tense. He said, the reporting verb is past, is in past. So children, if the reporting verb will be in the past, if the reporting verb will be in the past, then changes will be made in the part which is there in the inverted commas. The part which is there in the inverted commas, the tense of that part will be changed depending upon its tense. When the reporting verb will be there in past. You got it or not? You have understood
Yes,
it or
sir.
not? Once again, I am
Yes, sir.
repeating, we have to focus on the reporting verb. You have to focus on the reporting verb for changing direct speech into indirect speech. If the reporting verb will be there in past, then you have to make certain changes in the tense of the part which is there in the inverted commas. Okay, students? Now, what are these changes? What are these changes which you will make there in the part which is there within the inverted commas if the reporting verb will be there in past? If the part which is there in the inverted commas is there in simple present tense, then the simple present tense will be changed into what?
Simple past tense.
Simple past. Simple present tense will change into what?
Simple past.
Simple past. As it is, as he said, I am well. I am well. This part which is there in the inverted commas, this is in simple present. So
Yes,
as the
sir.
reporting verb is in past, so this simple present has changed into what? Simple past. And
Past.
how it has become? He said that he was well. He said that he was well. So I am well has been changed into what? He was well. Okay, so simple present of the part which was there within inverted commas has changed into simple past. So simple present will change into what? Simple past. And what is the other thing? Conjunction. What conjunction has been used?
T.
Conjunction that has been. Conjunction that has been used. Conjunction that is to be used. Conjunction that is to be used. And inverted commas are to be removed. Inverted commas are to be removed.
Remove.
Okay, now children, likewise you have to make changes. So simple present we have discussed. Now present continuous. Present continuous will change into what?
Past
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 continuous.
continuous. Past continuous. Simple present change into simple past. Present continuous change into past continuous. Yes, present continuous change into past continuous. Let me write the example. So he said my master is writing letters. He said this is simple past. So we know that we have to make changes there in the part which is there in inverted commas. हाँ जी, depending upon its tense. We have discussed that simple present will change into simple past. Here it is what? It is present continuous. So present continuous will change into past continuous. So he said that
His
His
master.
master was writing letter.
His master was writing
His
letters.
master was writing letter.
he said that his master was writing letters. Okay. He said that his master was writing letters. So have you understood, children? This is to be done like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That present continuous will change into past continuous.
Past continuous.
Yes. Then children, regarding present perfect. Present perfect will change into what?
Past perfect. Past perfect.
Past perfect. Present perfect will change into past perfect. You write the example. He said, I have passed the examination. Okay. He said this is in simple past, and as this is in simple past, changes are to be made in this part depending upon its tense. We have discussed simple present will change into simple past, present continuous will change into past continuous. Now present perfect will change into
past perfect.
past perfect. Present perfect will change into past perfect. So it will become, he said that,
He had passed the
He
examination.
had been passed the examination.
no, that is active and passive been. No, he said that he had passed the examination. He said that he had passed the examination. Okay, he said that he had passed the examination. Okay, so this simple, present perfect, present perfect has been changed into what? It has been changed into past perfect. So a present perfect is to be changed into past perfect when this reporting verb will be there in past tense. The reporting verb will be there in past, then present perfect is to be changed into past perfect. So we have used the conjunction that, we have removed the inverted commas, the correct pronoun has been used, and likewise the sentence is how it will be changed. He said that he had passed the examination. He had passed the examination. He said that he had passed the examination. Is it clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you have understood? Then
Yes,
children,
sir.
Yes, sir.
then the next is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous will change into,
Past perfect continuous.
yes, present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, so you write the next one. He told me I have been to Spain. He told me I have been to Spain. So it will change into he told me that, he told me that,
सर टोल्ड चेंज नहीं होगा
told, here it will remain told only. Here told will remain into told only. But where you have to focus, he, for example, he said to me. He said to me. If after said there is an object, then said will be changed into told. In the earlier sentences, as we have discussed, he said, he said. If he said, after said, an object is there, then that said will change into what? That will change into told. Is it clear to you, students? But if directly told is given, if directly told is given, then told will remain told only. You have understood?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
after,
sir.
if after said an object is there, he said to me, he said to Ramesh, he said to Gaurav, then that said to, when we will change into indirect, that will change into told. Okay, students? But if directly it is he told, then it will remain told only. Okay? So this will become, he told me I have been to Spain. This will change. How this will be changed?
He told me that he had been to Spain.
This also you have to change now.
He had been to Spain.
Yes. Yes, students. Okay. Then you do the yeah. So he told me I have been to Spain. So it will change. How it will change? He told me that. He told me that he had been to Spain.
He had been to Spain.
He told me that he had been to Spain. So this much you have understood or not, students?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, understood.
If the reporting verb will be there in past tense,
Yes, sir, understood.
all these, once again I am repeating so that anyone has not paid attention. Then the part which is there in the inverted comma, how the tense of that part will change. Simple present will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect. And simple past will change into what? Simple past. Yes, students? Simple past.
Yes, sir.
How simple past will change? Yes. Write the example. He said, the horse died in the night. Okay. Simple past. He said the horse died in the night. This part is there in simple past. So how simple past? In which tense? Simple past there in the inverted commas will be changed if the reporting verb will be there in past. It will change. Simple past will change into
Past perfect.
yes, 1 degree higher. So 2 degree higher. So simple past will change into past perfect. Simple past will change into past perfect. It will change into past perfect. So you make the sentence now.
He said that the horse
He said that the horse had died in the night.
had been died in the night.
Manali had been. Past perfect continuous it is used. Past perfect continuous. Been is used in continuous. And perfect, past perfect, had plus third form. So he said that the horse had died in the night. No been will be used. Had been,
Okay, sir.
past perfect continuous. Has, have plus been, present perfect continuous. If we have to use present perfect, then has, have plus third form. Past perfect, had plus third form. So what it will become? He said that the horse had died in the
Had
night.
died in
The
the night.
horse have been died in the night.
No been. He said that the horse had died in the night. Had died in the night. All of you have understood?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you find that this reporting verb is there in past and in the inverted commas, the tense is that of simple past, then simple past is to be changed in past perfect. You have understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then children, then it is regarding past continuous. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, you write the example. He told me we were singing a song. Okay, he told me we were singing a song. Yes, you make it.
He told me that they had been singing a song.
Yes. So past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. So he told me that they had been singing a song. He told me that they had been singing a song. Okay, it will only be he told. So he told that they had been singing a song. So we were singing. This is in past continuous, and the past continuous has been changed into past perfect continuous. Okay, is it clear to you? So simple past change into
Past perfect.
Past perfect.
simple past change into past
Past
perfect.
perfect.
Past continuous change into past perfect
Continuous.
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 Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Now you tell me regarding past perfect, will there be any change in past perfect?
No.
No. In past perfect there will be no change, and past perfect will remain as it is. Okay. He said, I had made it. Okay. He said, I had made it. He said, I had made it. So this is what? This is past perfect. And in past perfect, there will be no change, and it will remain as it is. Simply, we have to remove the inverted commas. We have to use the right pronouns. Okay. And then, so what it will become? He said that.
He had made
He
it.
had made it.
Made it.
He said that he had made it. He said that he had made it. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No change there in the tense. Only you have used conjunction that, and you have removed the inverted commas. You have removed conjunction. You have used conjunction that. You have removed the inverted commas. Okay, so he said that he had made it. So if the reporting verb will be there in past, reporting verb will be there in past, then the tense in inverted commas, if it is there in past perfect, then in past perfect there will be no change. Okay, students? All of you have
Yes,
understood
sir.
it or not?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
then past perfect continuous, if it will remain there in past perfect continuous, then past perfect continuous will also remain the same, children. Past perfect continuous will also remain the same. Past perfect continuous. Okay. For example, I had been playing. She said, I had been playing. I had been playing. She said, I had been playing. So how it will be changed? This is in which tense? This is there in past perfect continuous, and in past perfect continuous there will be no change. So how it will become?
She said she had been playing.
Yes, she said that she had been playing. She said that, conjunction that has been used. She said that she had been playing. She had been playing. Okay, students,
Oh, yes, sir.
all this you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
children,
Yes,
now,
sir.
now the second thing, if this reporting verb will be there in simple present or future tense, what will come with he says, he says, he says, okay, the horse died in the night. He says the horse died in the night. If this reporting verb will be there in simple present, then the part which is there in the inverted commas, tense of that part will not be changed anymore. It will be changed only if it is there in, the reporting verb is there in past. If it will be there in simple present or future, then the part which is there in the inverted commas, the tense of that part will not be changed. Only we have to remove the inverted commas, we have to use conjunction that, and the correct pronoun we have to use. So now you read it like this. He says the horse died in the night. So how it will be changed? He says the horse died in the night.
He said that. No,
He says that. It will remain on. He says that.
he says that the horse
The
died
horse
in the night.
died in the night.
Yes, yes. He says that the horse died in the night. He says that the horse died in the night. Tense of the part which is there in the inverted commas has not been changed. Why it has not been changed? Because the reporting verb is there in
Outside the inverted commas.
the reporting verb is simple present. This reporting verb, he says, he says, he says is what? It is in simple present, right? Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
So if the reporting verb will be there in simple present, if it will be there in present, or if it will be there in future, then the tense of the part which is there in the inverted commas will not be changed. You have understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
The tense will change only when the reporting verb is there in the past. Reporting verb is there in the past. So you have to focus on the reporting verb. Okay. So now I am giving you some of the exercises. You do. Yes. First, he says, I am.
Sir, can I?
Second, you understand it. Second, he will say, I am positive. Third, he said to me, I am positive. So how these will be changed? What will come in the first one?
So can I?
Yes,
Sir, first में तो says आ गया तो he said I am positive.
Sadhana, one only. Sadhana, you speak.
Sir, he says I am positive. He says that I am positive.
This you have to change now. His pronoun you have to change. He says that he is positive.
He said that he is positive.
Yes, sir. He says that he positive.
He is, because with he is will come, I am is come. The tense has not been changed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is present, so it remained in present only. The relative pronoun has been changed only. He says that he is positive. Okay, so what I mean to say that when the reporting verb will remain in present or future, then the tense of the part which is there in inverted commas will not be changed. Tense will change only when it will be there in past. It will be there in past tense. Now, he will say, I am positive. How it will become?
He would say that he is positive.
Yes, very good. He will say that he is positive. So in these two cases, have we changed the tense that of the part which is there in the inverted commas? Have we changed the tense of the part which is there in the inverted commas? Yes, Vinisa?
No, sir.
We have not changed. Why we have not changed? Because the reporting verb, this is the reporting verb, says, and will say. This is the reporting verb, will say. So we have been taught that if the reporting verb will be there in present or future tense, then the part which is there in the inverted commas, the tense of that part will not be changed. Is it clear to you? Simply we have to remove the inverted commas. We have to use conjunction that, and
Please repeat.
the relative pronouns we have to use. Okay. Sadhana,
Yes, sir.
if this reporting verb is there in present or in future, then the part which is there in the inverted commas, the tense of that part will not be changed. Only the inverted commas are to be removed, conjunction that is to be used, and the right relative pronoun, relevant relative pronoun is to be used. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then next, he said to me, I am positive. How it will change?
He told me that he was positive.
Yes, very good. Who responded?
Manali.
Okay, good, Manali. He told me. How it changed told? Because I said you that after said, if any object is there. So here object is there. What is the object? Me. So he,
Me.
yes, he told me. He told me that I am positive. What it will become? I am positive.
He was positive.
He was positive. He was positive. He was positive. So I am positive has been changed into what? He was positive.
Was
We
positive.
have changed the tense. Why we have changed the tense this time? Because now here the reporting verb is there in past. Okay. So this much you have understood or not, what we have discussed in this class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you have understood?
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So the remaining things we will discuss in the next class. In the next class, we will discuss what are the exceptions? What are the exceptions where the tense of the part which is there in the inverted commas will not be changed even though the reporting verb is there in the past? There are certain exceptions when even if the reporting verb is there in past, the part which is there in inverted commas, its tense will not be changed anymore. So that we will discuss. Then we will discuss regarding the interrogative sentences, how the interrogative sentences are changed. So you come prepared with this, children. What are the exceptions in which even if the reporting verb is in past, the tense of the part which is there in inverted commas is not changed? You come prepared with these exceptions, and then how to change the interrogative sentences. Okay, students? So,
Okay, sir.
this we will discuss there in the next class. This class comes to an end here. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, children.